Everyone, today we're going to make a reaction to Chucky versus Dolly, Dearest, and this was made by Real Bobo Ghost. Original link in the description. I'll be using Chucky as a thumbnail, and this was made by Jigsaw Games. Not made by Real Bobo Ghost, yes, and this is part of the Jigsaw Games, the first series. Let's begin. Play now. He's watching TV. Sorry, I cannot show it. I apologize, but I don't think I want to show it.
Because his head looks like a hammer. These sharks are attacking Nicole Richie. Yes, the shark is a... What the fuck? Look at that thing's teeth.
That is a nightmarish. Look at the teeth. The teeth is terrifying. If you pause that moment at the scene right here, it's actually terrifying. Okay, sorry for my finger. Let's focus on the video. We have Dolly Dearest, we have a Dolly Dearest, and Chucky. The Battle of the Dolls. Since Chucky defeated Annabelle, Pinocchio, from the Pinocchio movie from 1996, and from Goosebumps, and let's see who will win this time.
Amazing, isn't it?
Well, Chucky won. Goodbye.